the Teen Choice Awards.
It was, Lauren, and tonight we're going to be talking about all the looks we saw on the red carpet, even though I'm wearing a dress from Forever 21.
And you're also not wearing shoes. I can smell your socks. Well, this is Dirty Laundry.
Let's go.
Lili Reinhart. Looking sparkly.
She gets better. Every time we see her, she looks better.
I just want to be her.
You're pretty close.
I get a lot of comparisons, but it's like if we were it's like if we were twins, she would be like the much better looking twin.
Oh yeah, it's like you versus the girl they told you not to worry about.
100%.
The thing I love most about this look is that she really went for the Teen Choice theme. She literally matched the carpet, which I think is the whole point of the Teen Choice.
Which is really mind-blowing because last year the carpet was royal blue, so how did she know that it was going to be this color?
I honestly don't know. I'm pretty sure that she has some sort of mind-reading power because look at her freaking face. It's perfect.
She definitely looks like she's reading someone's mind right now.
And even like her makeup and hair is very simple, but she's just still looks so pretty.
I love glitter. I'm in Burning Man mode right now, so anything flashy is just a win for me.
All right, I'm into it too.
She's also really nailed the like smirk, where it's like,
that's what you do. You do the laugh. You do the me.
The only thing that concerns me is that sequins can really do like a number on your armpit.
Chafing.
So I hope she had an assistant or something like fanning out her pits.
Girl, this is Lili Reinhart. She has assistants for her assistants.
She's like, I just woke up from here up, but then from here down it's like 70s
like,
disco and fuchsia. I love
like it.
I also love that she's not super tan and she's making pale look really sexy.
Totally agree. I hadn't even thought of that.
I spent a lot of money on a spray tan.
It looks good.
Look how bad that is. I should have just gone with Lili Reinhart style.
Lucy Hale.
She's the queen of the Teen Choice Awards carpet. I feel like every single year she is a standout, and I really liked this dress.
She's been to the TCAs, I think probably at least 10 years in a row, and I'm always just so overjoyed to see how much fun she has. Like, look at this eye makeup.
The dress is so good, but I can't even pay attention to the dress because the eyes are alive with green.
Green.
So
That's
good.
A look. That's a statement.
you don't see blue eyeshadow very often.
You really don't.
And I normally wouldn't really like it, but it's actually really fun.
I think it's great because Lucy Hale, I feel like she doesn't usually play around with eye color that often, so this is like a nice spunky choice for her. And her dress looks like a confetti cannon, like exploded.
I know there's so many things going on. It's like every color that exists.
Or like, what's that movie candy, Juju Beans, or Mike and Ike's? Mike and Ike's. Does anyone know what I'm talking about?
I'm totally on board with you. I also feel like it just reminds me of kind of like a mosaic, like tile table kind of situation.
Yeah, or like stained glass window, whatever, we can't afford it.
It's like, what more can we compare her to?
Here's what I love about this dress. It's the Teen Choice Awards, right? Like everyone's so young, but this dress is so futuristic to me.
Yeah, it does.
It's like they fast forwarded 50 years and then grabbed a dress and put it on now.
Yeah, it's also very fitting. It's flattering. The little like triangles going like
Yeah. Very
make
geometric.
her waist look really pointy.
Honestly, are these pants? Is this a skirt? I can't tell. Do I have to choose?
I'm questioning everything now, but it does feel like a confetti cannon just exploded on her, and I'm so here for it.
But also, it looks like the wall at church. I mean, I don't know. I haven't been to church in like 20 years, but what I've been.
Oh my gosh, it's
I've
like a
been here
mosaic.
Yes, a mosaic.
Yeah, exactly.
Also, her hair keeps getting shorter and shorter and shorter.
Like
which
a
I
real
kinda
bob, like a real actual
love.
bob.
True bob.
And the brows. She wins for eyebrows. She is probably, if someone comes at her with a pair of tweezers, what do you want to bet she just like slaps their hand away? I would.
Also, that eyeshadow, it's really hard to pull that color off unless you're from the 80s. And she's not from the 80s, and she is pulling it off. So,
Gorge.
love it. Retro.
Gorja.
Oh, it's your girl.
It's my queen.
Lauren Jauregui showed up straight out of bed in her metallic pajamas, and I'm living for it.
I love Lauren Jauregui.
Oh my goodness.
I love everything she does.
I'm sorry. I'm just registering.
Yeah.
Oh my God.
It kind of looks like she's wearing pajamas, but I'm totally here for it.
1,000%. This is what rich people go to bed in. That's what that is.
100%.
Like, it does look like she just woke up. It looks
yeah, this is like a
sexy
nightgown.
lingerie.
This
yeah.
is sexy lingerie for
So
sure.
hot.
Well, I have to say, I saw her in person in this outfit, and I asked her if we could change clothes because not only is she so
so gorgeous. It is so practical. It was 90 degrees on that carpet, and if you're gonna go to a red carpet, wear a bra and some loose-fitting clothes. She is not gonna be chafy. She is not gonna be sweaty. And I almost took her clothes off of her tonight, so came this close.
I can't blame you for it. Honestly, I mean, this looks like an outfit I would love to exist in.
This kind of reminds me of Rihanna. You know how Rihanna's been exploring
she
the
would do
loosey-goosey
But with like
outfit?
a pop of very
Yeah.
sexy on top.
I feel like she really was able to bridge the gap between like really comfy, but then also sexy at the same time.
Also, I'm just gonna point out, like, most of the time when you have to wear a bra as part of your ensemble, most of the time your boobs are like just on display. Hers, this feels like not a push-up bra. It's not too much. Not that it is too much to see a lot of boob. It's very like subdued boob.
For
It's
being in
subdued.
lingerie, it's very
Yeah.
subtle.
Yeah.
And I also love the fact that this was her first teen choice as a solo artist.
Yeah.
And it's really been fun to see all of the girls step into the limelight individually and finally have the chance to really show off their personal style. And now we know, like, Lauren likes to wear her undies to carpets, and I'm so okay with it.
Yeah. I also said that I wasn't sure if this is Lauren Jauregui or my guardian angel.
Oh, it makes sense. She's like a sexy millennial angel.
I hope my guardian angel looks like Lauren Jauregui. I'm sorry.
Seriously.
The cast of Riverdale.
I am so I don't know who to look at.
Look at the whole cast of Riverdale looking cute.
Except that they don't really look like a cast, but that's what I love about it.
I know. I think it's a good look though.
And Madeline Pesh looks, ugh.
Perfect.
Who's your favorite?
Madeline Petch went for it,
She did.
and I really like it.
Yeah.
Also, KJ Appa's outfit I would wear.
KJ Appa's outfit, like,
Yes.
it's like a sexy cafeteria man or something.
I was gonna say a sexy plumber.
Ooh. Or like,
Come
ooh.
clean my pipes.
Oh, hey.
I didn't mean it like that, but you know
I
what I
know what you
mean.
mean.
I'm just saying when I get a little hairball in there, I know I need a little help from KJ Appa.
I don't love the outfit, but I love him, so it's fine.
He kind of reminded me of Ruby Rose here.
I just feel like we don't get to see enough guys having fun with their fashion on any carpet, and the teen choice is like the place to do it. I also love Cole's look, but I mean, side by side, it's no question for me. I like a bold choice.
I love all of their choices. I would want to wear all of these outfits, couldn't pull it off. What I love about these outfits is it really does fit their different personalities,
So
and I love it when
true.
groups show up sporting their own kind of persona, but matching the group.
Totally.
Oh, Joey King!
Oh, she looks like Black Swan.
Oh,
Joey King. She has grown up literally in front of our eyes.
I feel like I have known Joey King since she was an embryo. We
Yeah.
have interviewed her so many times on Clevver. I love seeing her grow and seeing her fashion evolve. She looks amazing.
She's really blossomed. This is like very Black Swan
yes.
ballerina.
Yes.
Like there's a bun involved, and she's got the tool, but I like it.
I'm so into this.
She's very sophisticated all of a sudden. She went from cute little girl on the carpet to someone who's like, you better look out for her. She's gonna be huge. I mean, she is huge, but like, can you imagine in 5 or 10 years, she's gonna be nominated for like every Oscar. She's gorgeous. She's so talented. Like, I wanna trade places.
I love this outfit. Lele Pons definitely looks like 1970s aquarium.
What I love about this, Erin, is the fact that, like, sometimes it's hard to choose, what am I gonna wear? Am I gonna wear this or that? And she's just like, I'm wearing all of it.
You know what's kind of interesting now that I'm looking at it from the side? It's like she's wearing 2 outfits, right? It's like great. You're repurposing your outfit for Instagram. One side is today's photo, the other side is tomorrow's photo.
It kind of reminds me of one of those situations where it's like you're wearing like half of a man and half of a woman, and then
Yeah.
it's like changing characters.
It's like one of those plays where like you play both characters and you
That's
do
true.
this and then you turn around and you're a guy and you turn around and you're a woman.
Yep.
That's what she is.
It's kind of like those peanut butter and jelly jars,
Oh my gosh, yes!
where like one side's peanut butter and the other side's jelly, and you're like, you don't have to choose.
Or marshmallow or Nutella. Oh my gosh, I'm getting so hungry. Lele Pons, I blame you!
JoJo Siwa.
Aww.
Very typical JoJo, very sparkly.
cute. She's a star.
Colored extensions clipped in, I'm assuming.
JoJo Siwa is bringing us even more glitter than I thought was possible.
Again, with the food. What is up with this theme?
I mean, it's very Ariana Grande. It's very Katy Perry back in the early 2000s.
Oh, I hadn't even thought of that.
Yeah, I asked her tonight about her bows. I didn't know she made her own line of bows.
Yeah, girlfriend is an entrepreneur. She is making that book money. She's making that bow money.
I want to see her closet. I want to see her bow
Same.
closet.
I don't think I would be able to walk in because it would be blinded by too many sequins, but like,
How many bows do you have?
I just realized it's a glitter jumpsuit with a skirt over it with desserts.
You know what? This is courage.
Yes. This
It
is
is
strength.
It is strength. It is courage. I would not have had the courage to wear that when I was her age.
Here's what I love about this outfit is that this is an outward expression of who I truly believe she is on the inside, and that
Yep.
is when you know you're nailing it.
It feels very Punky Brewster to me,
yeah.
and Punky Brewster was my favorite growing up. So, don't you wish you were a kid where you could show up to red carpets like this?
I still honestly somehow feel like this would be acceptable for me.
I-
but
barely.
I'm delusional.
Barely.
Oh my God! Goosebumps.
My eyes are watering.
I know, every time. Yes, exactly. There are no
Wow.
words, just sound effects for Normani.
I don't even know what to say about this. Lately, I gotta tell you, I tweeted out a few weeks ago that I've been listening to Christmas music, and I feel like she's been doing the same thing. Like, this gives me sexy Santa, Tommy Hilfiger vibes
Yep.
on another level.
Oh, this might be best dress.
I want to put that skirt around my Christmas tree. It looks like a tree skirt, but I love plaid. I love plaid and spit.
She looks so good, and she knows her assets. She knows she has one of the best thighs in America.
She popped it out.
Yes.
And I love it.
I love it. I love it. Tommy Hilfiger is lucky that this is the body inside of his clothes.
I didn't even know Tommy Hilfiger made skirts like
Well,
this.
he is now, if he wasn't before. Look at that leg. Like, Angelina Jolie and her leg are so a memory now. Like,
Yeah.
this leg is toned to perfection.
What I love about this too, similar to Lauren's outfit, is that this is comfortable. She's got lots of patches of airflow happening.
Yes.
Also, I love that like the top is kind of dressy, but the bottom is casual, so you feel like she didn't take it too seriously.
And it looks like an elastic waist, which means lots of snacks can be eaten.
Okay, what's your favorite?
I
What's your
think
favorite?
you
Who's
are.
your favorite?
Well, what my favorite is Normani's skirt. And she also is my favorite too. Oh, I love it. I want to wrap all my Christmas presents in it.
I want to say that Normani is my favorite, but I think Lauren.
You
is-
have to.
yes.
You have to be loyal.
Yes, but like, of course, it would be the two of them. They would be
Right.
like my top
The
two.
best dressed.
They look so good.
My favorite was KJ Appa.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay.
I thought it was a different look for a boy to pull out,
Yes.
and I respect that.
Yeah.
It wasn't just like your classic, like, no offense, Cole, but a jean shirt, black pants is a little bit predictable.
This is a tough choice.
It
I
really
mean, look at
isn't.
you. I mean, you
Oh.
guys, you can vote for Aaron too. Look at this outfit.
Thanks, everyone. No, I think hands down it's the Lauren Jauregui pick for me. I mean, I saw it in person and I just am partial, you know? Like I said, it doesn't beat Guardian Angel. Like I said, she was my Guardian Angel. I have to pick her.
She looks freaking fantastic. For me, it's a tie. I can't choose between Lele Pons, who wore all the clothes at once, or KJ Appa. That
Wow,
outfit,
that outfit really shook you.
it spoke to me. Can you imagine wearing that with like a nice strappy pump?
It would not look as good on me as it does on him.
Totally beg to differ, but that's just me.
I decided to go for lingerie because I feel like you're winning when you can roll out of bed and onto a red carpet. So obviously, Lauren Jauregui, that one's for you. You win.
Well, that's what we thought of all the looks on the red carpet.
Let us know what your favorite was in the comments below, and then subscribe because we're here like for every award show, basically.
Yeah, we love it. We love it.
So much.
Be sure to click right over here to watch another new video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channels, and we'll catch you right here next time.